What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. I am in a different atmosphere. I'm actually traveling for work currently, so I'm not at home, but the grind doesn't stop. I still need to record a video, upload a video for you guys. Since we are doing 31 uploads this month, that means an upload every single day in the month of August. The grind don't stop, baby. Today we are doing a custom Hot Wheel belt. So I went to actually Dollar Tree, or not Hot Wheels, but they are Hot Wheel dupes, we'll call them, okay? A bunch of packs of Hot Wheels right here, and then I did go to Walmart and grab a belt, and I'm just going to place these Hot Wheels onto the belt. I've seen this on a Pinterest. I'm like, okay. I'll pop up some pictures right here. It's really cool, so I just wanted to give it a try. But without further ado, we're just gonna get into it. We're gonna make this belt. Now I'm just gonna start placing the cars how I want them spaced out on the belt. Dollar Tree didn't give me much to work with, so I do got the same cars. But we're gonna try our best to work with what we got. Now that I got them all placed out, I'm just gonna grab my hot glue gun and start hot gluing them to the belt. Y'all, this belt is looking so tough. If you guys are still watching, make sure you guys go down in the comment section and drop a red car emoji that looks like this. Y'all, this is what it's looking like. This is so cold. Like, this is so different. Cool, super dope. Something different. I don't have an outfit to put on with it, but I'm gonna still put it on. You guys can go to my Instagram. That's at cmac.31. I'm gonna flick some pics in an actual fit and upload them to my Instagram. So if you guys want to see the final product, head over to my Instagram, hit that follow button. I'm gonna try it on for y'all real quick. Again, this is not the fit that I would wear it with or style it with, but super dope. Y'all, something different. Like, you cannot tell me this shit not hard. This shit hard as hell. If I had the actual right fit on, this shit would be hard as hell. Let me know if you guys would wear this down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing, always turning on that post bell notification. As always, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.